just rolled up to the shop and Chad's already at it, pulling out this motor to replace it with. Same motor, Chad?
Yeah, same motor.
Same motor, alright.
That one is bad. That one has a, we believe, rod bearing failure.
Oh, rod bearing? Okay.
Maybe like an over rev issue. We don't really know what happened.
What happened? It just happened, now it's here.
It happened, and now, yeah.
And guess who has to deal with it?
Me.
But don't let Chad fool you, he's the greatest. Banging out these Hondas. He used to bang out Nissans, but now he's banging Hondas, you know?
Alright, ready.
Bang a bang.
Here it comes.
Bang bang.
So this guy basically, he bought 2 of these from auction.
Yeah.
One with good body, good interior, bad motor. One crappy body, crappy interior, good motor. And he got 2 auction cars, so we're just putting them together.
And 2 SIs?
2 SIs, 2 black SI, exactly
at
the same year.
Auction?
Same year, same color, same everything, yeah. So yesterday, I took this out. And then now, it's crazy is this one.
Oh, you took it out of the other shell?
Yeah, and then we scrapped it.
Okay.
And what's crazy, this one's only actually has like 42,000 miles. So we're not even taking the tranny off or anything. We're just
putting it back in there.
Yeah, because it has a newer clutch, newer everything.
And this thing still got factory warranty.
Yeah, I know. It isn't even breaking yet. So it'll be an easier swap because I don't have to transfer literally anything. Because everything on that motor, we drove this car in.
Oh, okay.
Yesterday, like that car drove around, had AC, everything. So we're just gonna.
And this motor is going to stay at the shop for us to mess around, build something.
Yeah, this is ours. He's just like, Merry Christmas, so that's it.
Right,
yeah, this is ours.
It's going to be up and running by today.
Yeah, today.
Wait, this is easier than we're making.
Don't rattle all that, JD. I know. Listen, I've done this before. We just have to. Ready?
Oh, it almost went. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah. Got it.
Hey, stop! You're hitting your motor against motors. Oh my god! That motor just threw its
The motors have to touch.
No, this motor just threw its rod bearing into this motor.
We have to pass the soul of the old motor
into the other one.
Into the new one.
Have them touch. People don't know that. People don't know that secret.
That's how you keep the Honda reliability.
Exactly. Cool, man. It's already a new engine. How long take it? Like 5 minutes? Literally 5 minutes.
5 YouTube minutes.
5 YouTube minutes. There we got it. Other one.
2 YouTube minutes. It looks the same. They're gonna be like, this kid didn't do anything.
Oh, you guys know it's not the same. Look at the starter. No, you know that starter wasn't on the last motor.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. Yep. And all in a half a day's work, right, Chad? What you, man? Get to work, bro. What are you doing?
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa. We're doing work here. Whoa, whoa. Look at this. This is a shop puppy right here. Call him Shih Tzu Chad.
Okay, let's try again. Go.
Down?
Yeah.
Here we go.
And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, Chad did it again. In like 2.4 hours. 1 out, 1 in, 1 out, 1 in.
5 YouTube minutes.
So here we go, guys. All right, so this is a good friend's car. Because he brought the other car, so we have the whole back end. So all you guys with the 8th gen and all that, we will be doing a all-wheel drive kit for the 8th gen. So you hear it from here. But of course, before we do all that, we got to finish up the prelude.
What's up, man?
What's up? How you doing? Busy?
To be honest with you, we've been busy, and we've been here.
Whoa, first startup. Talking about the 8th gen, guys. Here's the 8th gen stuff we have. So
this is what we're gonna use for mock-up. So it looks pretty straightforward. We kind of got a little plan how we're gonna go about it, and I think this will.
Chad is out there ripping
Chad,
it.
Yeah. Hey, Mark, your car works. So, but I think this will open up doors for other chassis also. You know,
okay.
We can start making like lighting ones for the R6, EM2, even the 9th gen, 10th gen. So
I was saying even just make this piece, right?
that's what we're gonna try to do.
cast?
Yeah, we're gonna
Or something.
We're gonna try to make this out of billet and see how it goes and all that and everything, and then make this out of tubular. So, and then
Okay.
we'll make an adjustable control arm. So, but I kind of got a
I
got a vision. I got a vision, but it's gonna take time because doing all the other stuff and all
Yeah.
that, sending out orders and.
Some of these cars right here, though, the Asian come all-wheel drive in Japan, right? Some of them come all-wheel drive in Japan.
I don't know.
I could have sworn I've seen a couple of them in the islands of Jamaica, dude.
I don't know.
Almost every Civic model comes. They have a little all-wheel drive version.
Probably.
I think. I don't know.
Just not here in the U.S.
Yep, you can't get those parts, so we're gonna make it USA made, built tough. So that's it, guys. Like, subscribe. We're here for you.
That's it. Always.
Chad.
Always.
Another SI? Like, how much of these are you gonna do, bro?
Three in 3 days. That's what it is.
That's a record. That's almost like the NSX record. You did like 3 NSXs in
We
a
did the 2 hard ones already. This one's just
what?
transmission, clutch.
Clutch? Okay.
Clutch and yeah, but
What type of setup you got going on? Just a regular stocky?
oh yeah, this one's all stock except for exhaust.
What is this? This is
Electric power steering.
electric power steering? Oh, okay.
That's all for the electric power steering.
You got some headers.
That's all he's got though. Just those good headers though.
What type is it?
Skunk 2 Alpha.
Skunk 2 Alpha. Straight to a 3-inch.
I think it's a custom 3-inch.
Yeah, it looks custom-y. You know, he rides out, he pops a VTEC.
It's actually not a bad
It's
car. I
bumped
mean,
up.
like, I wouldn't race it and stuff, but
No,
to
it's
drive
nice.
it every day,
Yeah, nice little car.
pretty nice little car. I'd get a Ford one. That's how you do it, babe. Look at it, auto down.
Like a champion.
That's clutch.
You got a tranny out.
Clutch
Oh,
seasoning.
look at that.
It's clutch seasoning. Put it on your steak.
So he pretty much he
It's-
drives it pretty hard.
It's
Well, let me see right here. He's really,
rested down.
it's not that bad.
Yeah, look at all the dust from the clutch.
Man, there's popping gears. Wow.
Let me see.
These are for the single cam. They are red
This is for Eddie.
for Eddie. The
This
hatch.
is for Eddie, yep. The hatch. This is too. What? Oh, you hooked it up.
Oh, he gave you 2 sets of each.
Yeah.
Nice. WERKS got the stuff, boy. Got everything.
Okay, so these guys here, OBD Work Welding, they came through. So basically, this one here is for the EK, Eddie's EK. So instead of us making it all that, no, we just went ahead and bought his, supported him and all that because he supports us. So, and it's going to save us like a couple days making it, so it's not even worth it for us to do it. So
It would have just
thank
been,
you,
Chris.
Chris.
Just been KK anyway.
No, trust me. So thank you, Chris, for these. So if you guys need any, hit them up.
Yep.
These are the plates, so because we're getting ready to shave the whole bay.
The whole day.
Yep, shave the whole bay, float the motor, and then redo the whole inside. We're getting ready for H-Day coming in April, so we're gonna be there. We're gonna try to bring 3-4 cars, all-wheel drive, and you guys, hey, get ready. If you guys are in that area, stop on by. We're gonna have a booth there and all that.
Little over
We're
it.
gonna make it happen.
So we're gonna make that happen, definitely.
Chad doesn't believe it.
And Chad's gonna bring his Nissan with his Kswap.
That ain't gonna make it.
That's not
But
making it.
We're
This will.
gonna tow it with the no, I'm not going. We're gonna tow it and put it there. Look, just
I'm
with
gonna
the-
order from Kimmy D's. You want something?
Who's Kimmy D's?
Yeah, Kimmy D's nuts. Yeah.
Oh, dude, you trying to steal my motor?
Yo, check this out. Chad just cleaned up anything right here. If your Honda doesn't have that much dust in the clutch, that means you're not revving it out all the way. The ground is shifted, my yacht. Chad's just having like a SI week. All the SIs coming in. And just like that, Chinese in.
The tranny's in YouTube magic.
Third SI down. This is the SI King now.
You wanna know what I just found
Chad
out,
the SI
guys?
King. What?
Just found out. Someone just comes up to me. He goes, I think I just found a SI, so we're probably gonna have to bring another one in because it needs a motor. I was like, come on, man, 4 in 1 week?
Come on, you want to do 5? One SI a day.
One SI a day.
One SI a day. Yo, gonna start calling Chad a King SI. See? Well, already, if you want to go Espanol, we'll call him King C. See?
See that? I know it's kind of cold right now in the
Buy
weather.
some sweaters, guys.
Yep.
We got them sweaters on. We got them tall sleeves too.
Yeah.
And pretty soon we might be having button-ups.
Yeah.
Oh, no,
Oh,
no,
hat. We're gonna have hats.
Yeah.
Yep.
Another one.
Another one. Chad is on a roll. 4 days.
4 days, 4
We're
motors.
just swapping like it ain't. You know what? We don't really need to show you guys how this is going in because it's going to be in by the end of the day. All right? I'm not going to show you guys. It's not even now.
If we had one more for 1 more day, that would have been 5 motors, 5 days.
Right?
5K series in 5 days.
That's crazy. Look at this guy. You going to business meeting?
Huh?
Chad is at it once again. Ripping out. To drop in. He's dropping in a K24, but on the outside it looks like a K20.
Yeah, I mean, unless you read the block. Everything looks like a K20 unless you read the block.
This car used to be an 800 horsepower car.
Yeah, before we had the shell.
Before we got the shell, you can tell by the downpipe it's really thick. It's boosting pretty hard.
Thick
Carbon fiber thing, this was running.
carbon fiber ting my ear.
the ting, the ting. Nice of a car. Customer's gonna be happy. This is what we're dropping in right here. It says 2.0, but it's really 24. There we go. Ooh, like brand new. Like brand new, Chad. That's good. Motor's good, so put everything back together now. Chad did it again. You guys are genius. Straight genius, my youths. But
I'm not pointing any fingers, but I didn't put the starter in there.
hey, what?
Hey, it wasn't the starter, it's the starter wire.
Well,
This one.
Hey guys, we're back over at the shop. Everything's coming together. We got our cameras up, all secured out, and the little restroom thing for inside the shop. The plumbing was already set up and everything. We got 1 or 2 cars over here at JD's, do some stuff. Moving these racks. Louis and Chad doing it up. Got some cars over here. Our shipping department is constantly still going. You guys hang on. Hey, the office is getting there. We got a coffee stand. It's coming together. Maya's over here straightening out the paperwork and everything, run the business.
Yes, I am. And as you guys can see, we are still in the process of moving, and we're doing the best we can to get these orders out. So just be mindful that we are, in the process of moving, and once again, trying our hardest to get these orders out to you guys as soon as possible. We always appreciate your love and support, and thank you guys so much for all your patience.
Sweet. Hey, by the way, you gotta check out my desk. You got shocks, you got rims. You got, you know what I'm saying? We keep it real, all cars.
You grip it, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got them on the skin.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got them on the skin.
Them wheels are always gripping.
You gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's build. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all will drive the world. I see 'em.